Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna teach you how to bleed your brakes.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
So it's very simple, and I've got here the top 4 brake fluid. It's the Bendix. So this is actually used for cars, but it's also suitable for bikes. So I'm just using it for temporary. And so what we need is to unscrew this part and open the cap. So I'll be doing that now. So this one here is a, I think it's an 8mm. This is 8mm. So go ahead and open this up. So the next thing is you need to take off this nipple cover. It's called a nipple cover. And then I've prepared a bottle with a tube to suck all the .4 oil. As you can see, there's some here already because I've already bleed the front brake system. So go ahead and put the 8mm wrench here, and then overlay the tube here. So the way to do it is you have to pump, and then release it, then lock it back and pump, release it. So as you can see that the oil level will go low. So just repeat the process. So you can see that it's filling up the bottle. So as we do that, we should take note of the level of the reservoir. So if it's getting low, we should top up with the brake fluid until the whole system becomes clean. So just open it up. Top it off with fresh brake fluid. Then continue pumping. sure that there's no air bubbles in the tube. There's no air bubbles, then you're good to go. Okay, so that's about it. I have finished my bleeding process, and we're next to top up the remaining oil in the reservoir, and time to wash the bike.